We have a game on Magic Breakfast called Magic's Mystery Sound. You could win £10,000 if you can tell us what it is.
Right. Can I give it to someone?
Yes.
Do you want to donate it to the hospice if I get it?
If you actually get it.
If you get this right, yes.
We will.
All right, have a listen.
It's a tube with something in it.
No, we
We're
don't
going to
know.
have
We're
to
just
look
asking.
at... We don't know. Brian knows.
No.
Give it... No, so give us a...
Not even close.
Not
All
even-
right, okay. It's dropping something into a paper cup. No, okay, I'll give
No,
up.
All right.
it's not
Well,
the
I have
right
no
answer.
idea.
What is it?
That's it. You won't tell us. We don't know.
Will you tell me outside?
I've signed an NDA.
Oh, really? For that?
10k.
10K giveaway. Yeah.
We'll see. If you promise not to tell it,
Yeah, he'll go straight to the place across the
I'll
road.
give you 500 quid.
He'll have a walk across Leicester Square.